How to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can add song to Instagram post that you've already posted. So if you are wondering how you can do that, in this video we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Instagram application and look forward to the post that you've already posted. So let's just head over to profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen, our screen, and once you reach over to profile page, you will be taken to profile. So once you reach over to profile page, and if you have not added any song, in order to add song to that particular post once you posted it, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top right corner of that particular post. And you should be able to find the section called edit. You can find it right here below turn off commenting. Just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you will be finding different options available for editing. For example, add collaborators, add location, and the most important, add music, since we are looking for what on it. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on it, add music, and you can either use of the music that you've already saved, or you can look up for the music or search for the music or browse it at the moment. So for example, I'm just gonna look up for this music for now. Let's say this music. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on write, and the music has been added. After it has been added and you're happy with the music that you've added, you can just go ahead and tap on write, and after that the music has been added to that particular post. So whenever you and your viewers will be viewing that post, the post will be played along with the music. So that is how you add up a song to your Instagram post after posting it, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.